Good morning, children. In today's module, I am going to tell you more about bills. So let's start the session. Children, here you can see original bill. This is written over here, Mahalakshmi Sanitary Tiles. So here always it is mentioned that from which place we are purchasing our things, whether it's a shop or a mall. Fine, children. This is the number. This is given the bill number, means the number it is written over there which confirms your bill. So whenever you find any problem in the bill, you can tell your number over there and you can find out from the shop whether the purchase is correct or not. Here it is written the date. That tells you that on which date you have purchased. Here it is written the name of the customer. Children, here are given serial number. Then particulars. In the particulars we write the name of the items which we are going to purchase. Quantity means that in how much amount we are purchasing that particular item. Then it comes to rate, that on what price we are purchasing that material. Then we are writing the total cost, means that if always the right rate is given of one purchase, and here we are writing the total amount of the purchase in what quantity we are purchasing that item. Understood, children? This is the format of the bill. Children, here you can see another bill in which the amount is written. These are the purchases and this is the amount on what I have purchased these items. In the last, the amount is being totaled. That shows that how much amount I have spent on my purchase. Clear, children? Now let's make a bill. So here I have taken one question for you. Visit a departmental store and check out the cost of things and make bills for the following purchases in your notebook. So my purchases of 5 kilograms sugar, 2 kilograms of coffee, 10 liters of milk and 6 ice creams. For making the bill, first of all, I need the price list. So children, this is my price list. Okay. So I will write the price of the items from this list. So my items are, first is sugar. So here I will write down sugar. Sugar in how much quantity? 5 kilograms. So I will write over here 5 kilogram. From the price list, what I see, the price of the rate of the sugar is 30 rupees per kilogram. Now, second is coffee. The quantity of coffee is 2 kilogram and the price list says that it is 450 rupees per kilogram. Third is milk. I will write here milk, and milk is in 10 liters of quantity I have to purchase, and the price of milk is 32 rupees per liter. Fourth item, what I am going to purchase is ice cream. So I will write here ice creams, that is 6 in quantity, and according to the price list, the price of the ice cream is rupees 20 each. Now here I will start making my bill, that is the total cost amount. Children, as the price of sugar is 30 rupees per kg, so price of 5 kilograms of sugar will be 5 multiplied by 30, that is 150 rupees. Okay. Price of coffee is 450 rupees per kilogram. So I will multiply 450 by 2 because I have to purchase 2 kilograms of coffee. So how much I'll get? Yes, 900 rupees. Okay. Now 10 liters of milk. As the price of 1 liter milk is 32 rupees, so the 10 liters milk will be of 320 rupees. Such as ice cream is 20 rupees each. I have to purchase 6 ice creams, so cost will be 120 rupees. So this is my total money which I have spent on the items which I have purchased. So let's total the amount. Here now we are going to add these numbers. So here I'll write 0, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. Then 9 plus 1, 10, plus 3, 13, plus 1, 14. So here total I have spent 1490 rupees. Suppose children, you have given 1500 rupees to the shopkeeper. So how much amount will you get back? What do you have to do? Simply you have to subtract the amount which you have spent on your purchase from the amount which you have given to the shopkeeper. So in this purchase I will get 10 rupees back. So children, you understood how to make the bills, how to calculate the bill, and how to find out that how much amount you will get back from the shopkeeper. Children, one thing is very important about the bills. Bill is an authentic document for every purchase. If somewhere you feel that the purchase what you have purchased, the item which you have purchased is not working properly, and you have to give it back to the particular company, for that you need bill. So always keep your bills carefully. Okay children, at your homes many bills must be there. So ask your mother and father, they will show you the bill and practically you can understand the bill. Bye children, take care.